All parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned Narendra Modi-led Indian government's draconian measure to employ Global Positioning System tracker anklets for monitoring the activities of the people in occupied Kashmir. APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, described the GPS tracker anklets as the virtual imprisonment. Indian Army and paramilitary personnel launched a massive cordon and search operation in the Bafliaz area of the Poonch district. The operation was conducted following an attack in the area in which no loss of life or injury was reported. Residents staged a protest in the Jammu city against New Delhi installed administration's failure to provide basic necessities like the power and water amid saying temperatures. Also, people in Nowshera area of the Rajouri staged a protest against the authorities of the Power Development Department for snapping the electricity of the entire town. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah, in a media interview, reiterated that dialogue is the sole path to peace in the region. He asserted that peace in occupied Kashmir hinges on India and Pakistan recognizing the futility of war and creating an environment for the talks.